Hey everyone, I'm excited to do a video. It's been a little while. I'm excited for a couple of reasons. One, it's first video of the Freightliner product with our medium duty Elite 84. I'm gonna show you this silver one here in a second. The other exciting thing is we've had a little bit of a change here at the Bodywerks. We are now LUXE Trucks, doing business as the Utility Bodywerks. So we have a new principal owner, same management, same great product that we've been building for 20 years. Nothing about our process has changed, so you can expect the same high quality that we always do, just with new ownership. I'm excited to see where things go with the LUXE brand. It's the same principal owner that owns the LUXE RV. That's how we kind of started off doing the LUXE trucks. So I'm sure you'll see more of the LUXE trucks in the future. But to this Freightliner here, this is an M2-106. They've already got the carpet in here, so I didn't get this video quite in time to show it completely stripped out. But you can see how they've got the door panels off. The carpet is in, like I said. It's still the stock steering wheel. And I'm going to show you another unit that we've already done the upfit on, so you can kind of compare how it starts off for us and where we end up. All the wiring there. You can see on the ceiling we've got it modified and ready for the center overhead console to go in. And this is actually a Trans-West unit, so this is a Summit hauler. This is a body that we only do for them. But this white Freightliner M2-106 out here, this is our standard Elite 84 that we offer for the medium duty product. This truck's equipped with our tank covers right there under the cab, and then you go back a little bit farther with the diamond plate tank cover extensions. Got the double door front there, over the wheel well compartment door, rear doors. And then I call the big center compartment behind the cab, I call that the coffin door, just because there's so much space in that pass-through. The body's pretty much all standard options there. That's how this body comes. Diamond plate rear bumper, diamond plate hitch cover. Pretty much choose any hitch you would like to use. We've got the B&W turnover in this truck. 7-way there. The other bulkhead there is for the camera system that we offer with these trucks, a standalone aftermarket camera system, Voyager camera system. You can have up to four cameras. It's got a split screen there for 4 cameras on the monitor. Go ahead and open this up. Hopefully it's not locked. No, there we go. It's a little bit dark, but I'll get up there and open the center compartment. It's the first video that I've done for this medium duty product, so we'll open up the center compartment here. And I'll go around to the other side and we can look through there just to get an idea how big that actually is. Oh, the other first is I'm actually using a gimbal this time to see if I can keep the video a little steadier, do a little better job for you guys. There's the center compartment light. There's the work lights that are in the interior of the bed area there. This gives you an idea of how big those compartments are. Going in the interior here, I'll show you the upfit, kind of compared to all the electrical wire and everything that was hanging out in that other Freightliner. You can kind of see what it all looks like finished. There's the door panels, a hydro dip grab handles. We hydro dip all the grab handles. This truck is in carbon fiber. We try to do as many of the interior components as we can on the dash there. We put an aftermarket steering wheel in there, carbon fiber accents on it. Carbon fiber on the dash. And then the overhead also has carbon fiber on it. There's the monitor setup for the cameras. Overhead console there. Carbon fiber on that. Carbon fiber on the center console here. We have cup holders and USB charger ports. USB's on the back, we'll look at that here in a second. Heated and cooled leather seats, perforated, nickel stitching, black. We have a power sofa that we put in the rear also. Make sure to turn the battery back on there, the disconnect. So we can lay this guy down. So there's a power sofa. Turn into the bed there. And you just power it back up. Dome light built into the center console there, or the overhead that comes on when you open the doors. Then we add 6 speakers to the interior of the truck. We got 1 in each door here. Again, carbon fiber grab handles. So all 4 doors, and then we put 1 on each side in the front of the dash here. And the grill there, that's for the speaker. So yeah, that's the medium duty Elite 84. This is pretty much a standard options that we offer for the Freightliner product. There's a company out there that offers some really nice aftermarket grills with the LED lights. We could add LED lights with a grill upgrade, and they also offer some inserts down here in the grill as well that you can put LED lights and also down at the bottom. So that's it for this Freightliner product, the M2-106, the medium duty Elite 84. Thanks for watching.